Today, remember this: a sound human body, with time to practice, is a rare vessel. Most beings never find it. Many humans have it, but let it drift. We have it now, healthy enough, aware enough, and free enough to choose. So let's not waste it. Picture your life as a strong boat. The ocean is samsara, the repeating waves of confusion, anger, and craving. The far shore is freedom, clarity, kindness, and unshakable peace. How do we cross? Don't veer off course. Row day and night, steadily, kindly, bravely. Not only for ourselves, but for all beings still caught in the storm. The Buddha's children practice in 3 clear steps. 1. Listen. Open your ears and heart to true teachings and good advice. 2. Reflect. Think deeply. Ask, how does this apply to my life today? 3. Meditate. Sit, breathe, and train the mind to stay steady and kind. Listening plants the seed. Reflection waters it. Meditation gives it sunlight and makes it grow strong. Start simple. 1 truth to hear today. 1 insight to think about today. 1 session to sit today, even 5 minutes. When you slip, smile and return to the oar. Small strokes, consistent direction. That's how we cross oceans. May this rare human life become a vessel of benefit. May our practice free our own hearts and light the way for others. This is the path. This is the work. Truth Word. Begin now.